Good morning, students. Today we are going to do exercise 2.2, question number 3 and 4. But before starting exercise 2.2, question number 3, I just want to recapitulate what is distributive property. So let's start with it. Distributive property of multiplication over addition means firstly multiply a sum by the number is same as the multiplying each addend. Addends, you know, the numbers of addition is called addend by the number and then adding the product. Means suppose number is given 5 into bracket 7 plus 9. So you have to multiply 5 into 7. Then 5 you multiply by 9. This is a distributive property. Clear? So answer in both the cases will come same. Means if I do 7 plus 9, it will be 16 and 5 into 16 is 80. If 5 into 7 is 35 and in 35 if I plus 5 into 9, 45, the answer come 80 only. It means in both the cases answer will come same. So it is called distributive property of multiplication because there is multiplication come over addition. Clear? Now see how we do if the question manipulates. First of all, if the questions come like this manner, 24 into 55, you have to pick one of the number to break apart. Clear? Suppose the value of tens place is 20. I mean 24, how you will expand? 20 plus 4. So you expand it and how you write 20 into 5, 55 and then 24 into 55. What the answer come? You have to add the product together. Like its answer will be 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 11. And its answer is 4 5s are 20, 4 5s are 22. So now add it 0, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 3, 2 0. Clear? Like this manner we do it. Or this is a normal way, means 5 into 8 is 40, 4 into 12 is 48. But if I distribute this 8, how I can write 6 plus 2? Then 5 you have to multiply by 6 and 5 with 2. 5 6 are 30 plus 5 2s are 10. So answer come 40. Same answer come, what answer come in normal way. But the answer when come in distributive, it makes the question easier for us. Clear? So let's start with question number 3. Question number 3, you have to find out the value. Now they already expanded it. You have to make a distributive property. Now see, A part, A number, I am giving the number names. This is B. Again A means same number is repeating and then C. So find out the common number before plus and after plus. 297. So you write 297 outside, put a multiply sign and then bracket. Now from this side, which number you have taken? 70. 297. So which one left? 70. Multiply sign you already put outside, so which sign will come? Plus. Then which number left here? 3. So 297 into, you have to multiply by 20. Clear? So multiply it, answer come 5940. Clear? Now D part C. D part we do later on. Firstly we do B part. Now B part C. Which number is common? 5 4 2 7 9 is a common number. Then you put bracket, multiply, then you write 92 plus 8. So 5 4 2 7 9 into 100. So answer come 5 4 2 7 9 0 0. Clear? Now see C part. Firstly, I will write down distributive property formula, that is written A into B minus A into C, which is equals to A into B minus C. This is the formula which we are using. Now A is 8125 into 169 minus 8125 into 69. So this formula we use. A is 81265 into 169 minus 69. Clear? So 81265 into 100. So answer come 8126500. Clear? Now we do D part. Here firstly we make a formula of it. Now see, there is no any number which are same. So firstly we make it same. We write 3845 into 5 into 782. Clear? Plus 769 into, now split this 25 will become 5 into 5. Clear? Then 218. Clear? Now what do you have to do? You have to multiply these two numbers first of all. So answer come 3845 into 5 into 782 plus 769. If you multiply it, answer come 3845 into 5 into 218. Now see which numbers are common. If I see this number and this number is same, before plus and after multiply. So what do? You write 3845 into 5 and in bracket which number comes? 782 plus 218. Clear? So students, value plus 782 plus 218, answer come 1000. Clear? Now you multiply these two numbers. When you multiply it, answer come 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 22, 5 8s are 40 plus 2 42, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 19 into, it should be 1000 only, into 1000. There is 1922500. Clear? Now student, we do question number 4. Here there is not distributive. How we make the use of distributive property? The number which is are having 103, 102, 108, 105, we expand it. See, A part 738 I have written as it is, into 103 I expanded 100 plus 3. Now what I do? 738 I multiply with 100 and make a bracket, plus 738 I multiply by 3, put in another bracket. Now it is also distributive property. Sometimes this thing is given, you have to write this thing. Sometimes this thing is given, you have to write this thing. Clear? Now 738 multiplied by 100 is 73800 plus 738 into 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1, 22. So add them. Answer comes 76014. This is the answer. Now we do B part. Here I expanded 102. That become 100 plus 2. Now 854 you multiply by 100. Put a bracket. Plus sign come 854 multiply by 2. Put another bracket. Now 854 multiply by 100. Answer come 850 plus 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. And 2 eights are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. Now add them. Answer come 87108. This is the answer. Now we come to C part. I already expanded 1008. It become 1000 plus 8. Now 258 multiplied by 1000 plus 258 multiplied by 8. So 258,000 plus 8 8s are 64, 8 5s are 40, plus 6 is 46, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 20. Now add them. Answer come 260,064. Clear? Now we do D part. Here 1005 is written in the starting. So firstly we expand that. So now you have to multiply 1000 with 168. Put a bracket plus you have to multiply 5 with 168. Clear? Now 1000 into 168. Answer come 168,000 plus 5 8s are 40. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Now you add them. Answer come 168,840. Clear? Like this manner we do question number 3 and 4, means distributive property. In distributive property, answer is A into C, A into B plus A into C, which will be equals to A into bracket B plus C. Clear? So on the behalf of this formula, we do question number 3 and 4. So I hope you understand today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.